Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Please, this video is very important. I want you to pay attention to it because maybe your brother is among these people that have been shot dead in Maiduguri prison. Now, there is a report today that terror convict Charles Okah exposes how Nigerian Correctional Service shot dead over 100 inmates in Maiduguri prison during flooding incident. Labeled them as escapees to cover up crime. Let me start from 2 years ago or 3 years ago. There were a group of persons who were arrested from the southeast. The soldiers or the police termed them as Biafra agitators, ipob, that they have proscribed ipob that they are terrorists. And most of these people were taken to different parts of the northern Nigeria. I don't know why they were taken to north for prison to stay. I don't know why. But the news was everywhere then. Now, there was an ex-convict called Charles Okah. So Charles Okah was in a correctional service center, was in prison in Maiduguri. So he is now narrating that during that flooding incident that happened in Maiduguri, that they shot dead 100 persons. 100 persons. They shot dead 100 persons. Stay with me. Now, the 100 persons they shot dead, they now write that these people are escapees. That when the flood happened, that these people escaped. Nobody escaped. This person is a witness. He was there. He's telling you that they shot dead 100 people. Who are they? That is the question. Who are the 100 people that they shot dead? So that will take us to this article from Shara Reporter. So let's go through the articles and let's see what transpired and understand the reason why those 100 people were shot dead. Now, the article reads, the topic is exclusive. Terror convict Charles Okah exposes how Nigeria Correctional Service shot dead over 100 inmates in Maiduguri prison during flooding incident. Labeled them as escapee to cover crimes. This article was written 9th December 2024. Now, it continues that Charles Okah, the convicted mastermind of the October 1st, 2010 Abuja bombing, has made a sordid revelation on how over 100 inmates as the new minimum security custodial center, Maiduguri, Borno State, were unlawfully executed during the flood disaster that ravaged the state capital. Okah, in a personal account shared with Shara Reporters, said that the atrocious killing took place on Tuesday, September 10, 2024. That is last 3 months. Tuesday, September 10, 2024. That is the day they shot these 100 people dead. Now it continues. Sahara Reporters had reported that the Nigerian Correctional Service had declared 281 inmates missing from the medium security custodial center Maiduguri, Borno State capital. The service had noted that this followed an evacuation process in the aftermath of the flood incident in the state as 7 inmates were returned to the center. Omar Abubakar, spokesman of the service, had in a statement released the details of the inmates, including their biometrics. Abubakar said the Nigerian Correctional Service has observed the flooding currently being experienced in Maiduguri, Borno State and its environment. The unfortunate incident has left scars, bringing down the walls of the correctional facilities, including the medium security custodial center Maiduguri, as well as the staff quarters in the city. Upon the evacuation of the inmates by the officers of the service with the support from sister security agencies to a safe and secure facility, 281 inmates were observed to be missing. Now, I'll continue the article. At this point, he said 281 were missing. How are we not sure that in that process they have released Boko Haram people or those people out? And for them to cover people who they released, they shot 100 people dead. Maybe people from the southeast. I'm just saying, I'm not sure of whether those people are from the southeast, the people they shot dead. Okay? Now, the article continues. He, however, added that it is important to note that the service is in the custody of their details, including their biometric, which is being made available to the public now. So we are still waiting for the biometric. We are still waiting for the identity. Let us know these people they said they escaped, so that we will know whether they purposely shot dead people from particular region. The service is working in synergy with other security agencies as both covert and overt deployments have been activated to look out for them. Presently, a total of 7 inmates have been recaptured and returned to the custody, while efforts are on the ground to track down the rest and bring them back to safe custody. While this effort is on, the public is assured that incident does not impede or affect public safety. They are telling you that this incident does not affect public safety because they themselves know that they have shot these people dead. Now, this is what Shara reporters said. I am not the one that said it. I did not put calls. I did not put calls on the prison. I did not put calls on Maiduguri. So I am now relying what Shara reporters said. Now, said, but in a 14-letter page titled An Eyewitness Account, the systematic killing of lunatic inmates and other acts of atrocities in Nigeria prison by Charles T. Okah, a prisoner of conscience. Okah gave graphic, vivid account on how the inmates were executed and forcibly labeled missing by the prison authorities to cover up the atrocities. Now, according to the letter, Okah said that the reason he decided to release the details were because to remain silent in the face of evil is a form of evil in itself. Citing some biblical quotation, Okah said, in absolute obedience to the sacred mandate and many patriotic and moral obligation, I have no other choice, even at considerable risk to my life and freedom, than to bring to light once again atrocious act of darkness inside the Nigerian prison system, where Providence has chosen to plant me by the riverside of corruption and mendacity to flourish as but credible whistleblower. So this is the letter he wrote there. He put it as an eyewitness, stating why those people were shot dead. So if your brother is in the prison there, it is time that you start asking about them. Start asking about them. You have to know what is really going on. You have to know what happens to them. You have to know whether they are still alive. They have shot dead 100 people in Maiduguri. So we don't know. We are waiting for I'm just monitoring the incident. I'm monitoring it, close monitoring. So once they release the biometric, we'll confirm the name, the identity, let us know these people they said they are missing. Then we will now come to understand why they shot them dead. So for the now, we have not been able to ascertain the main reason why they were shot dead. But I promise you that we are going to investigate and get to the end of this story. I am going to try my possible best to also get private information apart from what Sahara Reporters has reported. So I promised that once the biometric is released, I will come and update you on this information. But for the now, if you have any relative that have been transferred to Maiduguri, it is time to make inquiry about his well-being. Thanks for listening. I'm Okocha Marcel, a political blogger who talks reality out of issues. Please kindly help me to share this video and always come by for daily updates. Thank you.